Roughing it on a camping trip doesn't mean you have to give up all the comforts of home. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and today I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite camping chairs. It's the Amazon Prime Zero Gravity Chair. You know, our channel is all about helping you have a great camping experience, and let me tell you, this chair will definitely make your camping experience better. So these chairs are so nice just to relax in and let the day's stress drift away. You know, you can easily transition from an upright seated position to reclining for the zero gravity effect. So funny story is, John got this chair for me last year for Mother's Day, but every time we would go up camping, he would be in my chair. So in turn, for Father's Day, I got him one. Now we both have our favorite zero gravity chairs. You know, have you ever wondered what it's like to defy gravity? Well, a zero gravity recliner works by reclining your body into a backward position by evenly distributing your weight across the chair. This chair mimics the weightlessness that astronauts get in space. And you know, one of the benefits of this chair is it promotes better circulation throughout your body. Bottom line is, this is just a dang good, comfortable camping chair. Now, there are a ton of camping chairs out there, but this is the one that we love. You know, it's a great mix between comfort and value. So coming in at just under $55, this Amazon Prime Basic Zero Gravity Chair, which is an Amazon's choice, is awesome. This chair comes in 4 different colors, and its lightweight yet sturdy design is a must for anyone. So the chair can accommodate up to 300 pounds and weighs just under 17 pounds, so it's not too heavy. It transports easily and it folds up pretty thin. Now granted, it's not as compact as those basic camp chairs that you pack up and take to the soccer games, but oh, for the comfort. It's easy to work. You just sit in it, push back, and it reclines easy. You can lock the recliner in place by these tighteners on the side. Now, it's always been stable for me, but I would definitely recommend sitting it up on some even ground because I could see that these could tip at times. You know, we've used our gravity chairs as recliners in our RV. We've used them in our tent to sometimes sleep in. But one of my favorites was when I put this very chair out in the middle of a stream. It was so peaceful. You could hear the water running below me. I was so relaxed. I love this chair. Now, you can purchase additional accessories for this chair, like a chair table drink holder. I can't wait to get that one. But my favorite is this amazing pad that I also got off Amazon. And I'll leave the link below. You know, for me, comfort is prime. And this just steps it up a notch. You know, after a long day of camping and playing and, oh yeah, even making our YouTube videos, this is my go-to chair to relax in. The only downside is when I get in this chair, basically, I'm out for the night. So once again, this is a fabulous chair for comfort and value. So check out the link below if you'd like to know more about this chair. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. We'd also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Oh, and coming up, I'll be reviewing my favorite campfire chair. You know, the one you need when you don't need to recline. It's one that you can sit in for hours and it rocks. Yes, it literally rocks. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next adventure.